Okay, let's try this. C4 you can place like a mine. Oh, really, Pat? Okay, I'm gonna have to get those. That sounds super useful. Press pause and select return to ACC. Oh, thanks, Jack.
Check the target's locations on your map. Once you've spotted incoming reinforcements, their location will be added
okay,
to
thank
your
you, Mike.
Android too.
I feel like the cutscenes are fine from the actor's point of view, plus the game is also driven by a story. But it's my view. I feel everyone did a fantastic job on voice acting here, especially Troy Baker. I agree, Andy. It was just like there's this really... After rescuing a certain person, they had this cutscene that was kind of a little, I don't know, it was just, it seemed a little weird to me. Like a little too, like they were trying to vamp it up. But then again, I haven't played the other games, so maybe it just felt that way because I didn't really know the characters. Maybe it was like a super emotional, maybe like a reunion kind of thing. Alright, so now we have the big gun, right? So let's see. This is not it. Okay, wait. I think I go up here. There we go. This one. So now, oh my gosh, yes. So cool! Okay, we got that. Okay, sweet! Now what do I do with it? Yay, we get to rescue the woman again. Woohoo! Okay, we're being timed, so I feel like we gotta do this fast.
Subject is in.
Enemy presence detected. The map has been...
Oh crap! Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. Oh, hello! Alright, hold on. Let's look at the map real quick. Okay, so we have 1, 2. We just have to kill 2? I hope we don't have to kill 2 before they reach the other side, because then we'd be in trouble.
Clouds approaching.
Okay. Uh-oh.
Enemy presence detected. The map has been updated.
I think we're okay. You're talking about Cass? How far does this thing go? I mean, it's like a rocket launcher, right? It would go pretty far. Oh. Oh my gosh! Okay. Whoa! That was a close one. Alright. Maybe not for rocks, though. Okay. Ooh, let's go on top of there. Can we go on top of there? I'm sure we would get a good view. Man, I bet the pushback of this gun would be really bad. Oh, careful, 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 horse. So, do I just launch it right now? What do you think? Should I just do it? Should I just try it? I mean, I have 7 of them, so... Oh, crap, wait a second. Oh, they're leaving. Oh no, they're going up that way? Oh dear. Am I supposed to get them before they go out that way? Oh, I don't know. Oh my gosh. Alright, we're gonna get a lot of people angry. This might not be good. Doesn't matter, just keep going. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to shoot these tanks. Shoot? Oh, I can't shoot from that far? Okay. Too far away? Don't let them leave. Okay, so we are supposed to chase them, okay. Don't worry, we're almost there. I can hear them. Oh crap. Oh gosh, it takes a while to reload. Did I? Oh my gosh! Oh, thank God for smart horses. He's like, no, I don't want to go that way. That didn't. What? They're still there. Oh my gosh! Oh my God! I can't believe that didn't work. Wow, that. Okay, I don't think I. Oh, that one broke. Okay. Oh man, I only have 2 more.
The target has left the mission area. It's too late to eliminate that one. Just focus on taking out the remaining targets.
Oh
Boss,
no!
we spotted a 4-wheel drive transporting a prisoner. It's not part of the mission. Do you think you can bust them loose? Just if you have the time to spare.
Enemy presence detected. The map has been updated.
Oh my gosh!
You are about to leave.
Ah! It hit me!
It's outside the mission area.
Oh my God! It hit me!
To leave the mission area.
I thought they stopped fighting animals. Oh my God! I'm so sorry.
Enemy presence detected. The map has been updated.
Wow, this is gonna just be be fun. Okay, stop, horse. Stop. 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 Horse, please. Thank you. Okay, we got. No, don't move. Okay. Nailed ya. Okay.
You've got other targets closing in. You can check their predicted route on your iDroid.
The map has been
Let's
updated.
see. How do I get you out of the car? R?
Thanks. You saved me.
Oh, no problem, dude. It was actually really easy to save you. You're like right in front of me. Sweet. Okay, those guys are dead. All right. So now we have another few to go.
That prisoner we rescued provided some intel. We now know the location of a hidden enemy staging area. Check it on your iDroid.
The map has been updated. Please select a strike point.
Mac J Nasty, thank you so much for your follow. I believe like right here.
Strike requested.
Oh, that might be a little too close. We'll just see if it takes that one. Hey, I'm doing really good. How are you doing? Is this walk in there? Yeah. You're laughing?
Strike will commence shortly.
Oh, come on, baby. Come on. Come on. I believe. Well, it looks like it's still there, so crap. Oh, that was gonna be good too. It was like really close.
Enemy presence detected. The map has been updated.
Okay, come on. Maybe if I shoot the. Oh wow! Wait, wrong gun. That's not gonna blow it up. Okay. Maybe if I shoot like down here. Okay, looks like that. Oh my gosh, these things are huge! Oh crap. Oh, I need a supply drop.
Confirmed. Got any more in you?
Ammo? Ammo?
Please select a drop point.
Okay, I hope this is where... What we can do here.
Supplies requested.
In the meantime... Crap! Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. Yes! Oh my god, that one blew up!
Drop complete.
Come on, come on, hurry up! Hurry up, supplies! Hurry! Oh man! I think we're gonna lose one! Crap, you guys, I think we lost another tank. Another two! Oh my gosh, hurry! Okay, okay. Oh my god, this takes forever! Go, snake! Oh yes, it stopped him! It was a terrible shot, but it stopped him!
Be ending soon. Boss, there's still time left.
Oh my
Take out
god!
as many vehicles as you can.
Come on, Snape! Whatever your name is. Snape! That's Harry Potter. Oh. Yes! Alright, well we didn't get one.
Boss,
Okay.
need a little extra firepower? We spotted a Soviet weapons transport truck. Apparently its cargo is something pretty powerful.
Where?
Think, should we make them share?
Yes, that sounds amazing.
Boss.
But I only have 4 minutes. Oh, is that the ammo? Come here, you son of a gun! Come on, horse! Faster! Oh, what? Yes. What? You missed! You missed! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's the supply truck. The supply truck got hit too! Oh, crap!
Targets. Boss, we have new targets. Check your iDroid for the details.
The map has enemy presence detected. The map has
Oh,
been
whoops.
updated.
Was that our supply truck, Kappa? Or is this it? There's so many things beeping at me right now. I have no idea. I don't
3
suppose.
minutes remaining.
Detected. The map has
Oh my god! We're okay. We're okay. We're just still... Oh, is this my supplies? Oh, wow.
enemy presence
Oh
detected.
my
The
god.
map has been updated.
Oh crap. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. Do I just leave that there? Will I get it back? I don't know. I have no idea what's going on right now. All I know is I have this giant thing on the back of me and I really want to use it before the time runs out. So we're just gonna try to find a good area.
Will clear shortly.
Oh my god. This thing is like a thing. Okay. Okay, come on. We only have 5 of these.
The map has been updated.
Only 2 minutes remaining.
Don't rush me. I got this. A minute. Okay. Yes. 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 No. There. No. 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 Okay. Okay. Come on, horse. Okay. Come on. This is a giant. I don't think it goes through mountains. Okay, here we go. Almost there. What? Really? Did you just change your gun? Okay. There we go. No, 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 no. Okay. Oh man, this is so bad, my horse! Please! What are you doing? Horse! That way! Go! Okay, here we go. Okay, you know what? You know what? They're here. They're freaking here. Hello? Okay, they're going around the other way.
1 minute remaining. What's wrong with you? Move!
I had horse problems, okay? Just relax.
Enemy presence detected. The map has been updated.
Okay. You say I wasn't picking flowers or something, right? Oh, wow. Wow. That was like fireworks. My horse is fired. You... Go! One for good measure.
The enemy reinforcements have stopped. No targets remaining.
Oh!
Exfiltrate the hot zone.
We did it! We did it! Yes! Yes! Oh my god, that was cutting it close. Should I go back for my other gun? I don't know if I get to... Do I still have my other gun? I like dropped it. Will it come back with me? Oh, you know what? Is it right there?
Marker placed.
My launcher. What do I do? Yes, it'll go. Oh, it's so true.
The map has been updated.
Well done. You can leave the gun. Don't worry. Oh, I can. Okay. Okay. Then I won't run back for it. Yes, you will come back? Okay. Yay! Oh my god. Yahoo! Whee! Victory launcher. Whoa, look at him go. Dang, they go for a long way. Oh my god, they're still going. Wow. You like shot those off to space. Okay. So we don't need to worry about the launcher. We just need to exit the hot zone.